Need you for the old me. Need you for my sanity. Need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Ground me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down to earth.
Hey guys, we're coming to you today to do a tutorial on how to apply your eyelashes properly. We've already made a video on how to measure, so I'm going to just jump right in. I apply a hair glue. I do not use adhesive because this lasts a little bit longer for me. Again, I am going from the outside in. I've already measured again, so I am taking the eyelash and place it on top. I'll teach you how to do underneath on another tutorial, but I am going to make sure I connect the eyelash underneath her lid. Once I get it placed, I'm going to hold it and blow just a little. Again, these are pre-measured. I measured them before I put them on her. And if you want to check that video out, again, go to President Char. I'm going to do the right one. Again, I do not use lash adhesive. I use a hair adhesive because it's easier to stick for me. Some people do it different. Some people tell you, oh no, you're not supposed to use that. It's going to pull your lashes out. But it's how you take your lashes off. And I'll also get you a video started on that sooner than later. So if you just bear with me, we'll get this other lash applied. And then you'll see how I got it done. Again, I am going from the inside out on this one because again, I pre-measured. And when I say inside out, that means from the inner eyelash to the out. Once I get it connected, I hold it in. Now, with the eyelashes being closed, sometimes you will get a little stickiness at the bottom, but you can take a wipe and get that done. And I'll teach you how to clean that up.